Warning, for entertainment purposes only, do not attempt to replicate or copy the actions shown in this video on any property that you do not own.
Hello, my friends. Do you want to know how I did it? The only thing you'll need to buy is a 2-component silicone. Everything else you probably already have at home. So, watch this video until the end. Bonus, at the end of the video I will do some tests on the strength of the cloned key. There's no need big explanations. Just watch the images and you'll understand the process. It's a simple method. Enjoy watching. Materials used: a propane burner, mechanic soldering XW6 low temperature 138 degrees welding wire, which is a more resistant alloy than normal tin and melts at low temperatures, a steel spoon, a brush, temperature resistant 2-component silicone, a 3D printer. I used carbon PLA, but PETG or other materials it's fine, and cornstarch or talc powder. And now let's go. With the James Bond method, cloned key.
Dark sky over the city, a dead sky pierced by silent drones, patrolling radio frequencies like hungry insects. The artificial intelligence observes, records, learns. Streets lit by the sickly glow of a city that never sleeps. Neon lights bleed down the like synthetic blood, reflecting on fiber cables rising from the underground. Exposed veins of a diseased metropolis. Every PC is a gateway, every code a weapon. Hacking, firewall, upload, download, system, error, everything flows in digital data, reduced to ones and zeros to a zero. Digital byte that decides who stays alive and who dies. People with chips under their skin, walking through the noise of electromagnetic emissions, with a silicon heart beating in sync with the machines. Rat parts pushed into overclock, lit in solder. Everything vibrates on nil. Artificial glow. A cybernetic rat gnaws on a circuit board, teeth full of silicone and fear. The noise grows, the frequency rises. You cannot switch it off. To stay alive, you must watch the screen, even when the screen is watching you.
Lost signal.
magnet moves through the circuits, a bodiless echo in the machine. The ghost in the wires calling your name in this metal cage called a city. Cyberpunk is not a style, it's a sentence. Hacking, firewall, upload, download, system, error, everything flows in. Digital data reduced to ones and zeros to a zero. Digital byte that decides who stays alive and who dies. Burn the grid, real blood on synthetic hands. As a cyber rat flees through abandoned servers, the night swallows everything. It is time to shut down. But before you close your eyes, you know the AI is still watching. And in the dark, something keeps calling you.
To better understand. The first part of the key is fragile because it is thin and contains little metal, while the upper part is much more resistant. The part of key to containing the code does not exert any force in the lock, while a more resistant piece of the upper part is the one that turns the door cylinder. This is why the key, although fragile, does not break. However, be careful when performing this manipulation. At most, more resistant alloys can be used, but they require higher temperatures. A propane burner reaches approximately 700 degrees Celsius or more. So choose the metal you want to source. I will try a more resistant alloy, contain SN. 96.5, AGA 3, Cu. 0.5. For this video, I used a mechanic solder alloy X, XW6. It is a fairly resistant alloy, and is made up of 42% tin, 50% bismuth, and 8% copper. If you've made it this far, congratulations. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it, and subscribe if you like this content. And see you at the next experiment.
Thank you.